As an architect, it is essential to understand that the kitchen plays a crucial role in house design. Therefore, it is important to adhere to the necessary architectural standards. In a kitchen, the main row cabinets are typically 60 cm wide and elevated 85 to 92 cm. Following these cabinets, there should be a space of 120 cm wide to allow for easy movement and work within the kitchen. Additional 60 cm wide cabinets can be added after this space if desired. When working with one-piece cabinets, it is advisable to keep their height under 2 meters and their width under 45 centimeters. If installing cabinets above the main row, they should be positioned 55 centimeters away from the main cabinets, with a length of 60 centimeters and a width of 35 centimeters. Proper placement of light sources in the kitchen is crucial to avoid any disturbances. It is recommended to have a light source under the upper row of cabinets. When incorporating a stove in the kitchen, ensure there is a kitchen hood or fan directly above it. The distance between the stove flame and the edge of the kitchen hood should be between 65 centimeters and 90 centimeters. If there is a window in the kitchen, it is ideal to position the sink in front of it. The window should be at least 1 meter above the ground level. In a kitchen with only one wall, consider designing a breakfast table on the free side. The table can consist of two parts, with the first part not exceeding 85 centimeters in height and the second part not exceeding 115 centimeters. All components mentioned should be placed on the kitchen floor. To facilitate cleaning, consider installing bases with a minimum height of 10 centimeters for all devices. The four most important components of the kitchen are preparation, washing, cooking, and storage. Each of these components accounts for a specific percentage of the total interior space of the kitchen: 18% for preparation, 20% for washing, 18% for cooking, and 20% for storage, totaling 76%. If we exclude the preparation part, the remaining three components form a triangle known as the work triangle in the kitchen. The sink represents the washing part, the stove represents the cooking part, and the refrigerator represents the storage part. It is best to position these three components on the corners of a triangle, with each side not exceeding 2.5 meters in length. Refrigerators typically have dimensions of 100 centimeters by 85 centimeters for their largest model. Stoves will never have a width greater than 55 centimeters, but their length can vary. Sinks come in different models, but their width is consistently fixed at 50 centimeters. There are various methods available for designing the layout of a kitchen. In linear kitchens, it is recommended to divide the space as follows. Start with placing the refrigerator, followed by the stove 60 centimeters away, and then position the sink another 60 centimeters away. To maximize storage capacity, consider installing a second row of cabinets parallel to the first. You can also connect these two rows if desired. In larger kitchens, perpendicular cabinet design may be more suitable. For kitchens enclosed by walls on all sides, consider adding a small dining table in a corner. Alternatively, if the front of the kitchen is open, an island can enhance the kitchen's aesthetic appeal. The relationship between the kitchen and other areas within the house is crucial. For optimal architectural efficiency, it is beneficial to have a direct connection between the kitchen and dining room. A similar direct connection can be established with the living room, while other spaces such as bedrooms and bathrooms should remain separate from the kitchen. Depending on your specific design requirements, you can choose one of the aforementioned methods or combine multiple approaches. We hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.